perkenalkan nama saya Meili Ekawati dari kelas 03 NPM 191030606. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang logika dalam matematika dalam bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas akhir dari mata kuliah English for Mathematics. Yuk, ikuti keseruannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning students.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Thank you, student. Before start learning today, Miss Mel won't present first. Are there anyone absent today? No?
No,
Very
ma'am.
diligent. Good job. Okay. Today we are going to study logic. L-O-G-I-C. Logic. What is logic? Does anyone know? Elsa?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know? Umi? Are you know?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Logic is methods of reasoning, provides rule and techniques to determine whether an argument is valid. Example: if x is an even integer, then x plus 1 is an odd integer. The statement is true under the condition that x is an integer is true. Next, I have 10 words about logic. You have to match it with the meaning and intonation. For example, number 1. Word statement means is pernyataan. Are you understand, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we begin?
Okay.
For number 2, the implication. What is meaning for the implication? Rifa? The meaning is? The implikasi. Okay, the implikasi. Number 3, what the meaning is true? Does anyone know?
Benar.
Okay, true is benar. Number 4, for the meaning is false is?
Salah.
Okay, salah. Number 5, truth table. What the meaning is truth table? Does anyone know?
Tabel kebenaran.
Okay, truth table is tabel kebenaran. Number 6, negation. The meaning is. Okay, next for number 6, the meaning for negation is. Does anyone know?
Dikasih.
Okay, good job, negasi. Number 7, the meaning for conclusion is simpulan. Okay, good job. Number 8, the meaning is conjunction. What does anyone know?
Konjungsi.
Okay,
Konjungsi.
diligent. Number 9, disjunction. Does anyone know?
Diskonjungsi.
Disconjunction.
Disjungsi.
Are you okay?
Oh, disjungsi, ma'am.
Okay, disjunction. Good job. Number 10, implication. What the meaning?
Implikasi.
Okay, good job. That's the vocabulary about logic. Understand, guys?
Yes, I am understand, ma'am.
Okay, next. Statement. We will learn statement. Statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false. False. In statement, either true or false but no more. For example, P 2 is an even number. And P 7 is an even number. statement P? 2 is an even number. True or false?
Zero.
For the statement P, 2 is an even number. True or false? Certain?
True.
Okay. For the statement P is true. Next, for the statement Q, 7 is an even number. True or false?
False.
Okay. The for statement P is false. Next, for the statement, the sun of angels is any triangle is 360 degrees. True or false?
True.
No, the statement is false. For the statement Q, square root 2 is irrational number. True or false? Square root 2 is irrational number. True or false?
True.
Okay, the statement is true. Good job. Next, we will learn negation. Negation. Osa.
Option.
The negation from the first proposition is called negation from the first P proposition. The notation from the proposition is negation P. Negation P. If the proposition P is true, then the proposition falsely. If P is false, then negation P is true. The truth table is if the P true, so the negation P is false. And if P is false, so the negation P is true. From example, state the negation of the following proposition and then determine their truth false. 2 is a prime number. The negation from the statement is, does anyone know?
Yes.
Umi, are you know?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. If the statement is 2 is a prime number, so the negation is 2 is not a prime number. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Most is compound statement. What is compound statement? Does anyone know? Iza, are you know what compound statement?
No.
Okay, no problem. Definition for compound statement is a sentence that contains at least two simple propositions. Okay, two propositions. In compound statement, there conjunction for first is conjunction. Conjunction is a kind of compound statement which use a connective end. The notation is that can read and conjunction of the simple statement P and P denote as P and Q. The truth table for conjunction is Can you look the whiteboard?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
The truth table of conjunction is that if P true and Q true, so P and Q is true. If P true and Q is false, so P and Q is false. And if P false and Q is true, so P and P is false. And if P is false and Q is false, so P and Q is false. Understand, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for the example, find the truth values of the following conjunction. The Java Island is. For the example, the Java Island is greater than Irian, and 2 is an even number. For the P true or false case, if the Java Island is greater than Irian, true or false?
True.
True or false? The Java Island is greater than Irian.
False.
False. And 2 is an even number. True or false?
True.
True. So P and Q, the P and Q, true or false? The statement true or false? If P false and Q true, so P and Q is
False.
false. Okay, false. Both.
Tiga.
Next, we will learn disjunction. We will learn disjunction. What is disjunction? Does anyone know? Okay, disjunction is a kind of compound statement which use a connective or. The meaning what? The meaning for or?
Atau?
Okay, atau. Disjunction of the simple statement P and Q denote. P or Q is true, and if the statement P is true or statement Q is false, so P or Q is true. And if the statement P false or statement Q is true, the statement P or Q is true. And if the statement P is false or statement Q is false, the P or Q is false. Understand, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for the example. Plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 3. Or Yogyakarta is an educational city. 470 plus 3 plus 8 equal to 3. 3 true or false?
True.
Okay, true. For here, Yogyakarta is an educational city. True or false? Does anyone know? Faiza, true or false? True. Okay. True. Because P true and Q true. So P or Q is
True.
true. Right. Good job, guys. Okay. Anyone question, guys? Hands up, please. No.
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay. Don't forget, we have assessment with the quizzes. And thank you for your attention. Sorry and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.